We are outside.
This is strange.
I'm looking in the list.
Melon olives? That's me. Come up here, please. Your fingerprints are on the alarm. The firefighters noticed it. With the printing kit. Atama. Let me see your hand. Other hand. His name is on the list. He's maybe the suspect. Arrest him.
Bros in a Dareman episode.
I'm not in a D. Not my arm. I shouldn't have pulled it. Well, you did. Get in the criminal bus. That looks like that bus is from Ohio.
I can't believe you did that, Melon olives.
Guess I'm the only one inside.
What's going on here? Why is there so many cops?
Ma'am, your son pulled the alarm because he skipped a hard test.
Oh my gosh.
You will see him in the station.
Okay.
Mom, save me. These cops are taking me.
Okay, I'm going to ride back home. Coming in 4 o'clock.
New mom. Cops, get in the bus and keep your eye on the suspect. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, class, get back inside. Let's go back and do the test.
Ready to go.
Yes.